Hello everyone, welcome to all. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to install Ollama on your Mac system. So first, go to any browser, then open google.com, type Ollama and hit enter. Click on the first link ollama.com. Here we can see we have two options, one through command line and second manually. So first step, just copy the command and paste the same command in the terminal. And second, click on the download Ollama and download the setup for macOS. So hit the tab. Here you can see the ollama.dmg file is downloading. So once the downloading is completed, go to downloads directory. Here we can see we have ollama.dmg file. In the second step, we will go to downloads directory. Here we have ollama.dmg file. Double click on the ollama.dmg file to install. I have already installed, so I will skip this point. So once the installation is complete, go to Spotlight search bar, type terminal, hit enter. So let's verify the Ollama first. Type OLLAMA space double hyphen VERSION. Hit enter. So here you can see we have Ollama version 0.23.2. Type OLLAMA, hit enter. So it will launch the Ollama via terminal. To navigate, top to bottom, you can hit the down arrow or bottom arrow, down arrow or the up arrow key to launch the specific command. Hit the enter, or to quit, hit the escape button. So let's hit the down arrow key. So as you can see, it is moving down. Hit the up arrow key, it is moving up. So the first option is chat with a model. To select this model, to select this option, hit enter. and here we have different types of models available. Similarly, to navigate, we can hit up and down arrow key. So let's use the GPT -OSS 120 billion -cloud. Hit enter. So now it's connected to the LLM GPT-OSS model. So here we can ask any question. So let's ask one example. Why the sky blue? Hit enter. So now it's giving the answer for the prompt. So in this way, we can select different types of LLM. So terminal on Ollama. To quit the Ollama, press Control D. Press escape to quit. So that's all for today. Thank you.